Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Continuing our new round of conversations with local Filipino comic book creators. We have a writer, an official Philippine delegate for nung last Frankfurt Book Fair,
Mhm.
managing editor ng Seven Seas, si Ma'am
Hello.
Bambi.
Hello, John. Hello, everybody.
Mm-mm. So before we started, nagtanong ako kung what topic we would discuss. So sa utak ko, ang naisip kong baka gustong pag-usapan ni Ma'am would be the recent events that happened, 'di ba?
Mm,
Kasi maraming from our last conversation was early quarter ng last year,
yes.
and that was before your first trip to Frankfurt, and now
Ah,
you've gone
ah,
there two times na.
Price, yes.
Pero when you went to that book fair, parang
Yes.
na-rekindle or na-discover mo that there are lots of creators that
Yes.
are active right now na
Yep.
sobrang turning point yung early 2000s, late
Right.
90s, early 2000s, those
Right.
publications that came out nung time na yon at mga
Right.
event and
Ah,
activities na kaakibat ng publications na yun.
yes. Ngayon is mga ano na natin, mga colleagues na natin. Pero before, at that time, like, they like to say na, oh, you were my childhood. It makes you feel old. Pero parang it makes you also realize na gosh, ganito pala yung impact nung mga ginawa. Kasi dati hindi naman natin iniisip yun, di ba? Basta lang makagawa na,
Hmm.
maka-put out ng comics or makagawa as part of your job. Pero ngayon, nare-realize mo, nagka-impact pala ako. Kasi, kung siguro, so tuloy, hindi naman in an ego trip way na, pero you can say na, siguro kung wala yung mga works natin, mawala din sila ngayon.
Hmm.
Kasi may backtrack tayo ng konti, no? Kasi yung delegation for Frankfurt this year ng comics is medyo malaki in number compared to last year. Kasi
Because guest of
ah
honor nga ang
guest
Philippines
of
ngayon.
honor kasi tayo at saka comics is the most translated literary genre natin. So maraming komikero yung kasama ngayon. Tapos, one of the delegates, si Carla Rossi Clemente. Siyempre, kilala ko siya, but it was actually my first time to meet him in person.
Mm.
Tapos, nung downtime, nung naghihintay kami ng connecting flight, na natanong niya, na, ma'am, yung side sweepers ba kay Sir Olan, yung husband ko, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si Olan Amago. Sabi ko, oo, oo. So parang, so binabasa daw niya yon nung kabataan niya sa Bulacan pa.
Mm.
Tapos, yun nga na, so kilala niya yung series, kilala niya yung publication, kilala niya
Mm.
yung si Olan at that time. And then may lumapit din sa amin na publisher na siya who used to who used to cosplay during yung naalala niya yung unang-unang anime quest pa nung sa Mega Mall.
Mm.
And then even that same nag-PM si RD Aquino. So, delegate din siya. Sabi din niya na yun nga, may isa pang bata sa Bulacan na na-inspire niyo. Gusto ko lang sabihin. So, which is, he's speaking about himself. And then there are other times din na people like, kunyari, si Julien, nagsabi din siya sa akin na nagbabaso sa dati ng Questor, and then sina
Mm.
Gia's Desk, sina Mel. So there are a lot of artists who grew up or reading yung Questor, and I'm sure mas marami pang nagbabasa ng Culture Clash before.
Oo.
Kasi mas manga-centric
Yeah.
ang Culture Clash. So, na-realize ko na parang wala tayo parang documentation
Oo.
ng
Maganda rin
ng
kasi
influences nung
tingnan kung ano yung
oo.
situation during that time.
Yes,
Kasi we were
oo.
the transitionary from the
Right.
industrial age
Oo.
to the
Kasi as
more
opposed to yung
creator-centric age ngayon.
oo. Oo.
Kasi nung time natin, yung publications natin, while mainstream, would be
Yes,
considered
oo.
mainstream, Kasi meron
Ah,
tayong magandang distribution.
distribution, yes.
Meron tayong schedule, meron
Yes.
tayong magandang print run. Maganda yung
Oo.
oo. So parang part tayo nung
Last, no? Kumbaga,
last
no,
tail end
nagsisimula
nung
ng
industrial age.
industry,
Oo.
yes.
Last nung
Nagsisimula ng ano,
industry. Oo. Pero hindi tayo naging part actually kasi outside
Mm,
looking in din tayo nung industry na yun.
yes.
And
Oo.
while hindi siya documented, upstream yung battle natin nun eh. Kasi
Right.
since our influences were hindi yung local,
Japanese. Yes,
uh, which
oo.
was yung mas preferred sana nung mga
Oo.
old heads nung time na yun.
Oo.
Tayo na yung
At
old
the
heads
time.
ngayon eh.
At at the time,
At
oo.
that time, medyo hindi tayo sinasama sa mga list,
Yes.
hindi tayo sinasama
Oo.
sa mga kaya nga ano medyo rin averse
Totoo.
ako about lists kasi
Mm.
it's usually dictated by yung recent na nasa on top. So,
Yes.
uh, so when yun nga tinanong ko ni RH about it, parang ang dami nating
Ah,
creators na masasabi nating influential
yes.
because like
Oo.
um pero medyo hindi natin sila nakikita ngayon kasi hindi sila in line with the agenda of whoever is
Yes.
mas
Oh,
on top ngayon.
yes. Okay. Mm.
Mm-mm. So
That's
parang
uh,
ganun. Pero nga, usually it's heartwarming talaga if you meet like creators that
ah,
read yung stuff that you were
mm.
doing in the early 2000s.
Oo. Mm.
But parang maganda nga, I
Ah,
wish, I know a lot of, kasi ngayon sila na ngayon yung mas nasa editorial level na ngayon
ah.
are the people who
Mm.
grew up with yung mga pinagagagawa natin noong 2000.
Exactly.
And they're
Oo.
looking for like documentation of that. As in, lagi ako nakakita
Oo.
ng calls for who knows what happened in 2000s, kung
Yes.
meron kayong mga
Nas. Mm-mm.
documents or articles na na-save noong
Mm.
2000s. Ganyan. Pero usually
Mm.
nga, discounted tayo lagi dun sa list ng mga creators to
Oo.
look for create yung
Oo.
titles to buy.
Oo. Kumbaga kasi parang mas kilala um, yung branch na nag-branch out ng Western style na
Pero we're not
influence eh.
taking anything
Eh,
away from
Oo,
them
hindi.
then.
No, not.
Kasi
Hindi. Oo.
parang during that time then, we were making our own path then. Or we have
Yes.
our own
Oo.
events. We have our own activities. Tapos
Oo.
yung our publications have our own fan base. Na yun lang talaga yung kaya nga nung time ng 2005 when we were doing Comic-Con, yung nagsa-start kami ng Comic-Con, I made a
Mm.
point talaga na ma-invite both yung camps
Yes.
na yun.
Oo.
Kasi
Oo.
ang hirap ng fragmented na
Yes.
may event
That's
sila,
true.
may event tayo.
Yes. Oo. Ayun. So, clarify lang namin, no? We're not disparaging one branch or the
One
other,
branch.
one style or the
Uh,
other.
kasi
It's
kahit
just
ano pang
that
mangyari din, we were influenced then by that camp. Then we came from that camp.
Oo naman. Oo. Oo.
Oh, at yun yung mga comics that we were reading then, di ba? We
Oo.
were reading The Image Revolution actually.
Yes. Oh. We also watched yung X-Men 97
X-Men, yung
edition,
mga
di ba?
animation ng Marvel DC during the time,
Oh.
Batman animated and X-Men animated.
And yun nga, yung
Mm.
pag ano tong image ng 90s, sinubaybayan din natin. It's just that yun nga, parang during our time is nagsisimula yung pag ano ng anime and manga dito sa atin.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
This what was, kumbaga feeling the void. And it
Ah,
was what was on TV. So, parang children would gravitate doon sa kung ano yung nakikita nila sa mainstream, which was yung mga
yes.
Dragon Ball, Yu Yu
Kasi
Hakusho, Ghost
local
Rider.
networks were carrying
Yes.
mainstream
Ano,
anime na nung time na yun eh.
yes. Oo, na
So, mag,
biglang naging big.
hindi lang kids actually yun eh. As in, kahit mga
Oo.
older, I mean, pag minsan hindi ka nga
Oo.
makasakay ng tricycle kasi nanonood sila ng Ghost
Totoo.
Fighter.
Totoo. Ganun siya kalaki dati as in, nagmamadali yung mga taong umuwi galing office
Mm.
para lang manood ng Ghost Fighter, ng Slam Dunk, di ba?
Estaflone, naalala ko yun.
Upload, di
Wala
ba?
akong sakyan kasi nanonood lahat sila.
Wala, wala mga biyahe. Kumbaga, para siyang para siyang laban ni Pacquiao dati na
Mm.
pati mga driver, pati mga
That,
hindi
ang pinaka nakakatawa na nun usually, papunta ka ng tricycle terminal, di ba? Tapos may
oo.
TV doon.
Oo.
Sasabihin sa'yo ng mga manong, nood mo na tayo, mamaya ka na uwi."
So,
So,
ayun. So,
ganun
in
ka, ano
that,
nun, ka
oo.
prevalent yung anime. Kasi nilagay
Mm.
nila sa local network. So, it
Lagyan
wasn't
sa
hard
local networks, yes.
to access, kumbaga.
And then, nilagay nila sa prime time na oras.
Prime
Kaya
time na
pati
oras.
yung, hindi lang kids, kundi pati mga adults
Mm.
na-influence din ng anime. So, within that context, imagine mo yung you're a child growing up, nakapanood mo yung mga yun, tapos merong mga publications na katulad natin
Mm.
na nagko-cover na, wala pa kasing internet, wala pang
Wala
Google,
pang
may
internet. Hindi pa ganun
internet na
ka.
pero
May
pang
internet na nun, pero sobrang bagal.
sobrang bagal. At saka, syempre, mahal pa. Hindi pa siya
Ah,
ganun ka
Tsaka
ubiquitous na
not
lahat
every
ng bahay
household had
meron.
a desktop
Oo,
or access to
right.
a computer din.
Exactly. Wala pang smartphones. So, hindi pa ganun ka ubiquitous yung pag-look up ng ano. So, they were dependent on publications like us
Mm.
who were featuring the stuff that they saw on TV. So,
Mm.
imagine mo na lang na yun nga. So, the kids were
Which is,
exposed
ayun
based
talaga
on
yung
TV.
formative influence on most creators because that
Oo,
was what was readily
oo.
available.
Yes,
Uh,
that's why we have itong mga sumunod sa atin na
mm.
generation na who are saying na yun nga, ito yung naging influence ko. So, di
Tapos
ba?
using that din, kung point of comparison before, ganun din yung comics before.
Yes.
O, di ba?
Oo.
Yung comics
Oo.
industry kasi dati, hindi siya katulad
Hindi siya
ngayon
ngayon na
na
niche. Oo.
sobrang niche. Niche. As in, wala talagang
Oo.
ibang other word
Correct.
kundi niche yung comics.
Oo. Oo.
Kasi
Oo.
comics was mainstream. At lagi ko nga sinasabi,
Yes.
comics back then was inevitable. As in, kahit di ka naghahanap ng
Exactly.
comics, wala kang pake sa
Oo.
comics, makakakita ka ng comics.
Naalala ko yung mga binabasa kong comics, yung mga sa rentahan na sampayan. Sa
Mm-mm.
palengke yun eh.
Mm-mm.
Yung imagine mo sa palengke may mga
Dati,
comics.
if you find broadsheets, mga dyaryo, katabi
Correct.
niya yung mga comics.
Yes. Oo.
Tapos, or yun nga, lagi kong example is magpapagupit ka,
No.
paghihintayin ka ng
Correct.
barbero, may stock ng
Mayroong
comics
ano
doon.
doon. Correct. Oo. Tama, tama.
So parang inevitable siya na makakabasa at makakabasa ka. I think,
Si ano nga yung kinikwento ni Olan na pag nagpapamanicure, pedicure yung mama niya,
ayan.
tama ka, may comics. So,
Oo, sa
parang
mga salon,
pagmamanicure,
no? So
di ba?
either song hits yun or comics.
Oo, di ba? So, ganun siya ka mainstream dati.
Oo.
And that's because yun nga, dahil yung distribution network ng broadsheet, sila din yung nagdi-distribute ng comics.
Mm.
Kasi sila din naman yung publishers ng comics eh.
Yeah. Tsaka ano
So,
yun, ilang dekada na ganun yun since
oo,
after ng World War II, di ba? After ng World War II,
yes,
that's a good 4 decades
na
na
ano siya,
namamayagpag yung comics. Kaya sobrang
yep,
indelible. Kaya hindi ko rin sila masisi ngayon kasi 'di ba may mga newer creators that have gripes bakit ganun pa rin yung portrayal sa comics. Kasi ganun ka-indelible yung
dati,
industry na yun
oo,
before.
oo.
Kaya nga
Kaya
'di ba pag sinabi
parang,
mo Filipino comics, yun pa rin yung naiisip
balik,
ng mga
yes,
kahit ng mga hindi nakaabot.
oo, oo. Sila din ang babalik-balikan. Kasi that's how you knew Filipino comics.
Mm.
Kaya kasi parang nagdayon, na-mention mo nga kanina, parang tayo yung mga dying nung industry.
Oh,
Pero kasi
nandun tayo
meron,
nung time na nandun pa
oo,
yung remnants. Tapos we were doing
oo,
our own thing.
yes. And
Tapos,
yeah, we had the advantage of being distributed also. May distributors
Oo.
pa kasi ngayon kasi parang with the dying of print, 'di ba? Parang
Oo.
nawalan na rin ng distributors kasi kami naalala ko dati sa Questor, meron kaming third party na distributor na binabatuhan ng copies eh.
Mm-mm.
That's why people come up to me like yun nga, si Carlo, si RD, taga Bulacan, tapos merong mga
Yeah,
taga
oo.
Tulac, taga Pangasinan, taga ano, bakit nila kilala? Kasi nadi-distribute.
Mm-mm.
Pero
Same
ngayon
with
kasi
Culture
parang,
Crush yan. Kasi
oo,
sobrang importante talaga yung traction ng national
yes,
distribution.
yes, exactly. Eh ngayon kasi parang wala na yatang ganon na parang company na distribution. Wala na, and you can't blame kasi parang nag-die out.
Oo,
Meron pa, pero sobrang nag-die out na yung print sa atin. Mas
parang yung
prevalent yung
business
online.
model of that. Kasi that
Oo,
business model is like fueled by marketing and advertising eh.
exactly. Yep. Oo,
Hindi siya
oo,
actually
oo,
sales
correct.
eh.
Hindi, hindi, that's true. Oo, tama.
Ngayon si marketing and advertising turned ano na pivoted na into sa internet,
Oo, sa social media na,
social
nandun na
media
yun.
na kasi mas
Oo,
mas automatic yung engagement.
oo, oo.
Uh,
Kita mo kagad, di ba? So, bakit ka pa magta-take out ng ad sa dyaryo, di ba?
uh,
Eh, ayun na si, di ba?
uh,
So, mas nandun na yung ano eh.
as
Parang
in
yung
nga
mga
sobra
domino
talaga
effect.
nag-shift yung
Oo.
environment nung physically printed stuff.
Yes, oo, maraming factors, 'di
Na
ba?
running.
Parang
Kaya nga,
oo,
parang most of us, parang nag-iisip na sana bumalik yung industry. Pero
mm,
babalik siya, pero I don't think na gano'n na
hindi,
yung,
oo,
oo. I think
hindi
it's
siya,
still, ang tama talagang trajectory was to have it online. Kasi
yes,
yun nga, ako nagko-commute pa rin ako daily. Hindi naman daily,
ah,
pero regularly. Pero
ah,
pag nagko-commute ako, nakakasabay ko yung mga bata. Nagbabasa sila ng comics sa phones nila.
correct, that's true. Oo,
So if we
oo,
have like a viable public na
mm,
accessible na platform that we could put
oo,
yung comics
mm,
natin, tapos we could stick to a schedule,
oo.
babalik ulit yung traction
Babalik
at
yun,
engagement
that's
of
true.
readership.
Oo. And yun nga, hindi lang actually bata at pansinin mo pag yung mga grab rider,
Grab riders,
parang
mga
yung mga webtoon sa ano, sa
yung
phone nila.
working, yung mga working
Oo,
na mga sales, mga nasa sales na
oo, kita
nagbabasa sila ng
nagpapahinga sa ano sa ilalim ng puno na
kahit nga yung ano eh,
tweets yung
yung
binabasa eh.
angels, diba? Magpapaluto ka
Oo,
ng burger, makita mo nagbabasa yung
si ate.
tindera doon ng something. Either yun or nanonood sila ng something sa mga streaming service. Ah,
That's true. Oo. So, tama yun, no? Oo.
ah. Ayun yung,
Ah,
I think that's the only thing that we're missing right now kasi ang
ah,
daming
ah,
ang gagaling na creators. Pero if
yes.
we just like, I know ang dati naming mantra was gawa lang kayo ng gawa. Pero ngayon kasi ang labanan na is kailangang makarating siya sa mata ng readers. So, para makarating siya at magkaroon ka ng engagement na ganyan, meron ka
Mhm.
dapat schedule para abangan nila kung kailan ka maglalabas.
Yes,
Kasi
that's true.
otherwise, kahit sobrang ganda ng gawa mo, tapos wala kang follow-up for 6 months,
Oo,
for a
wala.
year, walang
Yeah.
traction yung work mo.
Wala. Oo. Tsaka parang yan nga eh, parang social media and streaming has changed yung the way we consume, yung behavior natin ng
Yeah, oo.
pag-consume. So yung mga long form na, kunyari, can you imagine yung mga Dragon Ball dati? Parang every week,
Ah,
susubaybayan mo na tumatakbo lang si Goku. Parang
hindi
hindi
na
na
ano.
pagpapasensyahan ngayon. Kahit ako siguro, kung napanood ko ngayon, hindi ko
Tsaka
na,
ano rin eh,
hindi ko
kung
na
iisipin
mabalikan
din
eh.
natin,
So,
we
yung
often compare
medyo
yung
nakaka-
comics natin sa
ah,
Japanese manga. Japanese
mm.
manga comes out, ano ba, weekly sila, di ba?
Eh, may weekly, may every two
O di ba, may
weeks.
every two
Pero,
weeks, meron silang
oo.
schedule. So
Yes.
nagpo-form talaga sila ng readership habit
Correct. Correct.
with their fans, with their readers. Ayun yung main difference no na, oo, magaling. wala
Oo.
namang argument with doon na the Filipino creators are magaling.
Oo, it's
Pero
not
we do not have
it.
kasi yung system na ganun para ma-feed yung ganung fandom kaagad, di ba?
Oh,
Actually, naisip ko to kasi meron akong client na from Western aesthetics, superhero
oh,
stuff. Sabi niya,
ah.
magmanga tayo para mas maging mabenta tayo. Pero that's
Oh.
someone saying na hindi naman siya aware of yung habit nung manga
Hmm.
readers, 'di ba?
Hmm.
Kasi
Mm.
weekly, may schedule yun eh. Either weekly or
Oo.
bi-weekly lumalabas yun.
Oo. Oo.
Yun yung nag-build ng readership na yun. Hindi
Yes.
dahil lumabas sila na ganun yung
It's a
itsura
style.
nila.
Oo. Oo. Hindi, hindi, it doesn't capture the whole picture na kasi ganitong style. May
Hmm.
other factors like yun nga, yung regularity of release.
Regularity, oh. And, di ba, once you have yung regularity of release,
Mm.
tapos quality of work, yun yun eh,
Correct.
quality of work din.
Yun. Oo. Correct.
Hindi naman, though, merong mga outliers na hindi mo alam bakit to sumikat. Pero may mga ganun naman. Pero it found its people. Pero yun nga, uh,
Oo.
nabasa ko yung sinulat mo when you first went into Frankfurt nga, di ba?
Hmm.
If you make it, you write it,
Ah,
they will come. Pero
welcome.
hindi mo sila pwedeng hintayin lang. As in, dapat kailangan mo rin silang
Oo.
hanapin.
Oo. Oo. Oo.
Yun
It doesn't,
yung problem natin ngayon with local kasi
Oo.
while there are book publishers and there's si Comiket which is parang si Comiket lang yung ano eh yung dedicated na comics publisher eh,
Sa ngay-
currently. Uh,
sa ngayon. Oo, kasi,
kasi most of our
hmm,
publishers are book publishers lang talaga that
oo,
delves
like,
into comic
oo,
book printing. So wala
right.
nung time
Walang
natin
tour.
si Questor, si Culture
Oo,
Crash, tapos there was like si Neo, tapos si Mangaholics.
Angaholic
Meron
sa,
pang mga nagtatry na mag-mainstream na
oo.
ano. Pero ngayon, yun din kasi while we do want a lot of local readership na ma-develop din, parang ang hirap din kasi yun nga, kasi we're pushing quality books, di ba? Eh, to produce quality, kailangan maging mahal siya.
Correct. Oo.
Parang ito lang yung ano, parang mga takeaways ko with this round of conversations.
Hmm.
Parang na-form sa utak ko na kailangan talaga natin ng entry, gateway na affordable for the readers to
Hmm.
sample the books.
Oo, oo.
Uh,
Yun nga, yung price point is another, that's why mas nag-gravitate ngayon din sa online kasi some of it is free,
yeah.
a lot of it is
Some of it
pirated.
is free.
Free, ayun nga, some of it is free, a lot of it is pirated.
Uh,
So, yun
Pre-written.
nga. So, pero yun nga, they get free access to that. Na
Mm.
syempre, we cannot compete with that because we have to, syempre, kailangan
Uh,
natin kumain. Eh,
and we should
gumastos
like
tayo
yun
to
nga. Kaya sana we should
produce.
have like an official free platform
Yes,
for
there
the
should
books
be.
eh.
There should
Kaya
be.
nga with
Oo.
what happened with the platforms na naglabasan nung
Oo.
pandemic. Uh,
Oo.
kasi they were on the right track na sana.
Oo.
And ayun nga eh, a public platform na hindi run by a publisher of titles. For
Hmm.
siguro for the first 3 years.
Maybe.
Uh,
Until siguro they decide to print.
until you decide
Oo. To print.
na yung kasi yun din eh for the first it's the same with the magazine. I think we talked about this before, 'di ba?
Oo.
Yung bibigyan kayo ng chance of a new financier to publish
Hmm.
your whatever, your magazine or your comic book. Pero
Hmm.
ang gusto lang nila is dapat first issue mo mawaw mo na sila. Parang imposible naman yun.
Oo.
Kasi you
Ano?
have to gain traction first bago kayo magka-numbers eh. So at least
Hmm.
bigay mo naman yung year, 'di ba? At least six
Hmm.
issues na
Oo.
mag-gain tayo ng readership. You don't gain readership at the first issue lang.
Oo. Again, yun nga, parang that's parang a sign of someone going into the ano na hindi niya completely na uunawaan yung nature nung business na gusto niyang i-finance kasi nga 'di ba parang it's not hindi naman instant yung ROI niya 'di ba na para
Hindi.
parang
Hindi.
it's a long game na
Parang
medyo
everybody wants to be
mabagal,
Trece na
oo,
magkaroon ng Netflix adaptation. But Trece
oo,
was
and
around for like
yes.
15
Diba?
years or more
Oo, di
before
ba?
it.
Bago, di ba? They don't see yung behind the scenes na yun nga, si gaano katagal tinrabaho ni
And gusto
budget.
nila
Diba?
ma-adapt kaagad. If, kung halimbawa na you get adopted kasi your concept is so mind-blowingly awesome.
Oo,
Pero
oo.
yung isang issue pa lang yung nagawa mo. Sino gagawa ng material for the next?
Oo, di ba? Oo. Pero yun nga.
parang magaganda yung intentions of everyone or ganun. Parang, pero you really have to put in the work.
Hmm.
Oo.
Oo.
Hindi
And
siya
consistency.
hindi siya
Consistency.
automatic na oh maganda yung gawa mo magiging
Oo.
Netflix ano siya.
Oo.
Kita mo nga yung mga Netflix na series, it takes like not just a writer, diba? The episodes are written by different people.
A team mo.
Oh, a team.
It's a whole team of ano,
Mm.
creative.
To develop
Diba?
yung
Oo.
material na yun.
Mm,
So
mm.
kung ayaw mong pakialaman yung meron ka specific vision with your title,
Ah,
tapusin mo muna.
ideally, oo,
Oo.
dapat.
Kasi
Kasi dyan na naman papasok yung ating regularity of release at ano.
it's ang ano niyan cautionary tale ni GRR ni Game of Thrones. It's an
Hmm,
unfinished series and it got
is,
finished dun sa
oo.
TV series.
Oo. Naunahan yung book, di ba?
Uh,
They didn't like how it ended. Pero sa ngayon, that's the ending that you get. Kasi nga, wala pa, hindi pa tapos.
kasi hindi pa tinapos ni author tapos you'd be
Matagal na
competing with
matagal.
yung ending na nung series.
Oo. Oo, di ba?
Ang hirap nun as in kaya ang pinakamaganda talagang system of adaptation ngayon is with the Japanese with the Japanese kasi they have a scheduled manga releases
Hmm.
tapos hindi pag minsan nag-overlap yung anime tapos they had to like do stuff.
Hmm.
Pero ang kagandahan
Oo.
kasi if it doesn't overlap tapos nabitin whoever got into the anime, they could get into the manga.
Oo. That's correct. Hmm. Alright.
So yun. How ang dami nang nagbago with what sa inyo, especially ang dami nyo na nalabas na books with after nung last na conversation natin. Let's catch
Hindi
up
naman,
naman yun pag ganun.
okay. Ah, what specifically? Hindi naman
Ah,
madami. Kasi, madami ba?
well,
Kunwari Tales.
Dubidu,
Walang
di
yata.
ba?
Dubido 2, oo. Ayan.
So,
Ayan.
so this is
Speaking
written
of,
by, the story is written
ito,
by,
ba, yung son ko, syempre, with assistance from me, pero yung assistance ko is yung, syempre, first time pa lang niya gumawa ng comics, no? So, I had to teach yung, kunyari, ganito yung flow dapat. Kasi, yung Doobie-Doo series is non-fiction, no?
mm,
And, syempre, as he remembers events as they happen. So, alam niya yung sequence within sa buhay niya. Minsan kasi for creative di ba kailangan natin minsan, simulan muna natin dito, tapos tsaka tayo
mm,
pupunta doon. Parang,
uh,
so I had to teach yung mga ganun na klaseng pag-fix ng narrative.
mm,
Pero yun nga, yung pero yun like the dialogues and the experiences chosen to portray, sa kanya
sa
yun.
kanya talaga.
Oo, oo, oo. Oo.
Which is parang sobrang uh, amazing to see that yung mga anak-anak natin yung gumagawa ng comics. Kasi may inattendan na workshop si Joaquin with
Ah,
Kwento.
ah,
Tapos
ah,
ang
ah,
mga kasali lang naman doon is anak ni Ruvel, pamangkin ni Jermaine, ni Choknat,
ah, ah.
anak ni Ma'am Nida.
Ganda, di ba? Mga
Di ba parang nakikita mo rin yung ano. Tapos even before the pandemic, mga anak ni JB Bautista were
mm,
selling yung comics nila. Si anak din ni
oo,
McCoy McCoy
oo.
were selling yung pero hindi na daw sila gumagawa ngayon. So sad.
Yung anak din ni Ilog at saka ni Joanna, di ba
Oh yeah,
gumagawa?
si Ethan. Oh,
Oo.
nasa second issue na ata si
Ah!
Antan eh. Oh. Tapos sabi nga ni Ilog pinapaayos sa kanya tapos ina-art direct siya nung anak niya. Tapos you've conquered the international stage na. Kasi parang you've done Frankfurt for
Yes,
twice na. Are you
2 years
doing
na.
Singapore this year or no?
Oo, oo. Well,
Kasi
hindi muna kami,
next week na ata yun eh. Or
oh,
this weekend na.
this
This
weekend na
weekend
siya.
na.
Oo. Pero nandun si Comiket, so, Cautionary and Duas are there. Pero, for me personally, parang siguro kung tinanong, baka hindi din ako nag-commit kasi medyo nakakapagod yung Frankfurt this year, to be honest. So, parang next year pagka-uwi ko parang next year na yung ulit yung events. Kasi medyo, yun nga, dahil nga, guest of honor, sobrang daming ginawa. As in, yun nga, parang some people might think na, oh, junket, bakasyon, ganyan, ganyan. Pero, pag wala kang event, wala, matutulog ka lang sa hotel. Maano yung madugo yung schedule this year.
Oh,
Kasi ang
I
daming event.
assume or
Oo,
I'm thinking na sobrang naka-drain ng social battery yun.
oo,
Uh,
sobra. Oo.
uh,
Nagulat nga ako, hindi ako nagkasakit eh. I was expecting magkakasakit ako.
Pag-uwi.
Hindi naman. Oo. Kasi this year, for comics kasi, aside from yung mga talks, kunyari, within the fair kasi, it ends early, mga 5 p.m. For comics, meron pang mga events after, which is mga sa labas, yung, like, kunyari, sina Jay, sina Budget, may talk sila sa museum. So,
mm,
kami na Direct Mike Alcazaren, ni na RD, meron kaming, ni Dion pala, may talk kami sa bar. Tapos meron din parang dahil nga guest of honor, parang may pop-up event where they brought a jeep. Tapos parang sa plaza. Tapos nag-set up sila ng parang fiesta with Filipino food and ganyan.
mm,
So pinupuntahan namin yon. So talagang you can imagine kung paano siya nakakapagod. Kasi
oh.
talagang hanggang gabi,
Parang ano
nagsasalita
yan,
ako.
parang doon sa mga listeners
That,
natin that
that's, I'm
does
complaining.
events, it times 20 nyo siguro. Yung
Oo, oo.
times
And then
20 nyo yung pagod na nararamdaman nyo sa local events.
that's correct. And then, can you imagine, 6 halls siya. Ang isang hall, siguro kasing laki ng SMX natin. Ganun siya kalaki. Kaya kunyari,
So
may
yung
toka sa
isang
hall
hall
1.
nila is equivalent to yung 5 halls ng SMX.
Yes, oo, ganun kalaki. So, kunyari, hall 1, o may toka ng 2. 3 o'clock, nasa hall 3 ka dapat. So, di ba?
Parang
Kasama
nag-track
sa
and
pagod
field para
yun.
mapunta
Oo.
sa kabila.
Kasama sa pagod yun na, yun nga, mag-back and forth ka dun between sa hall. So, kasama din yun. It's not just yung talking, pero parang yung physical, na, isa nga
May,
advice ni Ma'am Nida before going is mag-workout. Kasi
yun ba yun?
kailangan mo talaga.
As in,
Oo.
kailangan yung, ng
Sabi,
cardio,
oo,
conditioning.
wala naman jeep o shuttle na sa'yo na between the halls eh. So, talagang lakad kung lakad.
Uh,
So, kasama yung gano'n.
Gusto ko lang i-share with the listeners na may magandang ginawa si Ma'am Bami tsaka si Sir Olan nung experience niya with yung first time niya and yung second time.
Mm.
Uh,
Mm.
Available siya sa Instagram niya, right? Or sa Facebook
Ah,
din.
yes, it's on Instagram and Facebook sa Comics by Imagination
Comics
page.
by Imagination. Maganda yung
Ah,
mga points that Ma'am Bambi like shared with yung how the book fair is not an yung hindi
ah,
siya art fair.
hindi siya commercial. Oh, hindi siya
Oh,
art fair, hindi siya
it's more of a
literary.
commercial
Yes,
trade
it's a
fair
business
talaga for
place.
business. Oh,
Hindi siya katulad ng MIDF or yung mga conventions natin ko, Comic-Con,
ah,
Comic-Con. Hindi siya ganon na parang retail. Hindi siya
mm,
retail. It's right selling.
mm,
So, ang mga taong pumupunta doon is mga industry players.
mm,
So, they are literary agents, publishers, and then, yun nga, yung for people who are looking to adapt, kunyari sa Netflix or sa film.
mm.
Yun ang mga nagpupunta doon.
As in, sila naghahanap ng next big thing that they could sell.
Yes, oo, that they could sell or adapt or yun nga, sell in their country also, yung ganun, distribute in their country. So, yun ang mga, ano,
Tapos ang ganda din yung point nung second naman kasi
mm,
since you already experienced yung uh,
oo,
observation na yun, that,
oo,
that the creators, the writers, and the artists
oo.
na nandun are like, ano yun, fairy sprinkles.
Oo, oo. Kasi pag nandun ka and you're a writer or a creator, parang hindi ikaw yung parang yung nasa limelight. Parang palamuti ka eh. Fairy dust. Yung tawag
Fairy
ni
dust, yeah.
Candy Girly. Ayun.
Uh, Parang part
Parang,
ka ng spectacle. Uy,
oo.
nandun yung creator. You could
Oo,
have it
oo.
signed.
Oo, yun. Parang part ka ng marketing. Parang, it's not like in a literary fair na, oh, let's go to the author kasi you will discuss yung mga, you
Uh,
know, it's in a literary fair na you talk about the book. In this one, you talk about the book also, pero ang end result, ideally, is mabenta mo yung rights nung book mo. Or yung mga kasama mong ano, kasi we are the guests of our country, isa-spotlight mo yung mga kasama mo din, syempre, kasi Philippine team, di ba? Sa tulong-tulong.
So magandang point of view ngayon na itanong is how different yung mga foreigners, uh, yung reception nila sa work ninyo.
Ah, parang sa totoo lang yung experience ko doon is a bit bittersweet. Nakakatuwa kasi maganda yung tingin nila sa creator, eh mataas. It has to do with their literary culture.
Mm,
Kasi nagkaroon na sila ng culture of reading, of appreciating books, and tayo medyo naging, di ba, may literacy crisis nga tayo ngayon eh. Parang naging bumalik tayo sa which is due to hindi sa dahil bobo na kasi yung mga tao ngayon. It's not like that. If I can use the term, no, no. For lack of a better term, it's not that. It has to do with many factors like yung economy natin,
mm,
yung ng education natin. A lot of factors is contributing to this literacy crisis. Ngayon sila, wala silang ganon. So they have developed this culture of appreciating yung literary works. So, makikita mo, even mga bata, pumipila para sa authors, para magpapirma na by themselves, they don't have their parents with them.
mm.
Tapos, in other European countries, like yung sa France, di ba, may allowance ang mga bata to spend on books.
Yeah, oo.
Tapos, walang
Sin
control.
it's government subsidized.
Oo, it's government subsidized, pero hindi sinasabi ng government na hindi, textbook ang bilhin mo. You're free to buy whatever book you want. Parang nagda-drive nga yata yun na tumaas yung manga sales
Mm,
ngayon sa France kasi nga yun ang binibili ngayon ng mga bata. Anyway, So, ganun ang context ng Europe. So, when you go there and you're an author, even if you are an author that they've never heard of before, ganun kagad yung tingin nila na "Ay, hindi, author to eh. Parang, sige, ano, pasahin natin kahit hindi pa niya kilala, hindi kanya kilala, hindi niya kilala yung book. Pero yun nga, nagiging premium yung book mo kasi may pirma ng author.
Mm.
Tapos yun nga, so yung comics nga is may mga outside events, so may mga signings in comic book shops. Makikita mo yung comic book shops nila parang naka-showcase talaga kasi darating kunyari si Direct Mike, si Budget, si ano, hindi pa nila scheduled signing, naka-decorate na yung shop windows ng not just their works, pero yung works ng, kunyari, may showcase sila Philippine comics, yun yan. So, may mga Philippine flags pa. Pag pumasok ka, so, asan yung Filipino comics? Katabi ng, ano, kadyana rin yan, kunyari, lahat ng
Mm,
horror comics na, yung Patay Kung Matay, nandun siya.
hindi
Wala
siya nasa
siyang,
Pilipinyana.
exactly, na nahahanapin mo kung nasaan kanto yung Filipiniana, nandun siya.
Ah,
Na bakit siya nandun? Porket gawa ng Pilipino, lahat sila Filipiniana.
ah.
Hindi. So, katabi mo yung mga kilalang creators
Kung
na, yun
anong
nga,
genre mo talaga, katabi mo yung mga
exactly. Oh,
genre
so
mo.
ganun siya. So, nakakatuwa. So, bakit ko nasabing medyo bitter din? Kasi, syempre, nako-compare mo kung paano tayo dito na yun nga, yung our own bookstores relegate us to the Filipiniana corner, ganun. Hindi tayo front and center. Nung dumating yung Kinokuniya dito, natuwa ako kasi having knowing yung Kuni-Kuniya sa mga ibang bansa, na yung, kunyari, if you go to Kinokuniya, Singapore, anong unang mong makikita? Singaporean works. If you go
Mm.
to Thailand, you will see the Thai works first. So, excited ako na nagkaroon ng kino dito. Kasi sabi ko, uy, wow, finally, siguro mga uunahin din yung Filipino works. Eh, hindi.
Hindi, kasi ano yun,
Anong
partner pa rin
nangyari?
naman ng Filipino
Oo, yun nga
bookstore
eh.
yun. So, hindi
Oo.
yun yung
Hindi
gagawin.
yun. Ano yung kino, parang dumami lang yung manga section, which is not even ours, di ba? Parang, so yun ang difference. Parang
Parang
when
ano
they,
talaga eh, as in, as with comics,
mm,
kailangan talaga nating i-build ulit yung reading culture.
yes, oo.
Kasi,
Oo, which is,
as in, sobrang nawala siya.
oo,
Uh,
oo,
parang, tapos yun nga, with yung mentality na kailangan everything is to be there at once kaagad.
oo.
Yung attention span ng mga tao. Pero dapat kasi matuto tayo ulit na magbasa. As in, yun yung
Mm,
gusto ko sana mangyari with my kid. Pero yun nga,
mm,
yung time niya with the gadget is eating up all yung time nila. Uh,
oo.
nung bata kasi kami, wala namang internet doon. So, you have to
Wala.
find time to, you have to find something else to entertain you. So, pag minsan nasa probinsya ka, wala ka naman iba talaga magbabasa
Mm,
ka lang.
wala kang magawa. Mm.
Uh, pero yun nga, pero it's not supposed to be that way. As in, dapat nagbabasa ka to enrich yourself, di ba?
Mm. Correct. Oo. Pero kaya say yun nga, iba na rin yung behavior. I guess there are kids who still read yung traditional
These are yung, ang nakakatawa dyan,
pero
these are the kids
oh,
that
pero
grow
a
up
lot are
with
digital din
yung
nagbabasa.
parents sila that join book fairs. Kasi yung
Mm.
sinasabi mo ng mga bata na without the urging of their parents,
Oo,
pumipila
oo.
para magpapirma. Kasi
Oo.
yung parents nila are authors din. At nakakasama sila dun sa culture, yung book fair culture niya na, uy,
Ganon.
yung
Oo,
gawa dun
oo.
sa booth na yun.
Oo. So, kailangan magkaroon din tayo ng ganong klaseng culture. It's
Hmm.
just that, yun nga, parang
Oo. Kasi
mahirap at this time kasi nga,
Kasi ang nangyayari is
um,
most of the parents na outside our circles, the literary circle, the comic circles, or any reading circle, they think that books are sayang sa pera.
Oo, yun nga eh. Kasi ano eh, parang disposable income sa ngayon ang books eh, given our economy, di
Hmm.
ba?
Ah,
Di
well,
ba?
that's yung sad reality. Pero ang
Oo.
dami nating ang gagaling ng mga authors, ang dami nating ang gagaling ng mga comic book creators eh.
Oo.
Tapos yun pa, meron pang I hope mawala yung stigma pa rin na that if it's done locally, it's inferior sa mga
Oo.
inferior sa
Oo.
mga gawa
May
sa
ano,
labas. Napatunayan na din naman Bambi na the foreigners would still gravitate toward their work kahit hindi sila galing sa authors, creators sa kanila.
oo.
So it's up to par,
Ah,
di ba?
yeah. Kahit yung, sadly, yun nga, kahit yung mga ganun, books and other stuff is may colonial mentality pa rin na nangyayari sa mga local. Pero slowly is nawawala na. As we can see din sa mga MIBF, di ba? Marami naman nagpupunta. Parang, ano yung nga na parang when people say na hindi nagbabasa ang Pilipino, parang yes and no eh. Kasi when you go to somewhere like MIBF, PBF, ang daming tao eh. Ang dami pa rin
Daming
bumibili ng
tao.
libro. So parang the desire is there. Pero yun nga, along the way, there are factors that are that are preventing na maging ganon ka widespread for it to be called a culture like they have in Europe.
Hmm.
'Di ba? Na yun nga, may appreciation whatever social class you have. Wala pa tayo doon, 'di ba? Kasi yun nga, given then a big factor is economy talaga eh. Kasi you can say to someone who's earning, let's say, minimum wage, syempre, unahin niya yung
Unahin niya food.
needs niya, syempre,
Yun yung
food.
basic
Kung may
needs
family
ng
siya, yung
family niya, di ba?
tuition, di ba? Di
Shelter,
ba?
food,
Oo, di ba? So, wala na siyang matitirang pang ano. That's why in a place like France na may stipend sila for books, 'di ba? Parang that's a big thing.
Mm.
Kasi kahit hindi ko naiisipin na ay hindi kailangan kong kumain muna eh. Ba't ko pang bibili ng ano? Hindi, meron silang stipend for that. So parang that's a big thing na you know, maraming factors na ewan ko kung paano natin mararating yun. Ideal siya pero
Oo.
maybe we start by yun nga voting
Naalala ko
prop.
din when yung last ako nag-SGCC,
Oo.
kasi si Singapore prints mga entry, gateway, pamphlets,
Yes.
booklets ng
Oo, oo.
authors and creators nila to give away.
Ah,
So,
oo,
pag
oo, oo.
nakakuha ka nun, ay, maganda to. Bibiling ko.
Oo, oo. Mm-mm.
Sana man lang may ganun tayo sa book fairs
Oo,
natin.
oo, oo. And even Singapore has yung may government support yung
Yeah, meron silang government
ah
support.
oo, like lalo
And
na for if you
yeah,
have
they're trying to build the culture then of artists and
oo,
creators.
oo.
Sila, naghahanap sila. Tayo meron,
Mm.
pero hindi masyado nasusuporta. Uh, as in,
Ayun.
ayun din sa anin. Kaya ako naiinggit with the delegate na napunta dun sa Frankfurt is yung stories mo of what na mga activities that you do there. I mean, if we could have a book fair here locally, di ba?
Mm.
Nice
Mm.
for people to read doing the same things
Yes.
that you did
Oo,
here.
oo.
Sana
Oo,
meron din
oo.
tayo dito.
Oo. Parang a lot of the delegates actually were asking na, okay, parang we have this, momentum. How do we translate na magkaroon din ng ganun sa Pilipinas?
Mm, mm.
Kasi kung
We can
nagawa
have a
natin,
local
yun
counterpart
nga
to it.
eh.
Kasi,
Oo.
tapos yun nga, it's a government initiative. Tapos there are other government initiatives na hindi naman nila sinama.
Hmm.
Diba? Like, DTI has been doing yung contest nila for the creatives. Diba?
Oo.
Tapos, sabi ko, ba't hindi niyo sinama?
Yun lang hindi ko alam
Parang,
kasi kung anong
parang ano, di ba,
dynamics.
parang, hindi ba kayo nag-uusap? Hindi ba
Wala
kayo
silang GC.
ang weird
Yun
nga
ang
kasi
ano.
it's done by DTI, tapos DTI has all these events, tapos pupunta ako sa event nila, wala doon yung
Hindi,
winners ng mga,
wala.
tapos sabi, different department daw ng DTI kasi nag-handle doon, pero we're both DTI.
Di ba? Di ba? Ganyan. Di ba? Parang,
Parang
it's all,
nasasayang kasi if we're
oh, di ba?
spending on it na, todo nyo na. Kasi isama nyo na sa lahat.
Oo. Parang nakakatawa pero yun nga, yung lack of efficiency na ganyan. Parang factor din yan kung bakit tayo nandito ngayon. Di
Kaya,
ba?
parang ano talaga, we should have like an open communication with each other. Which is, ito
Oo.
naman talaga yung aking uh, goal with this talks. Kasi, yun nga, ang dami natin na ano, katulad na, hindi natin alam na itong mga creators na to read our works before.
Hmm. Oo, di ba?
Oh, tapos
Parang,
hindi naman nila sinasabi sa atin pag sa event.
hindi. Mga ganun lang. Bigla lang, di ba? In passing lang masasabi,
Ano pa,
okay lang
sa
ba?
outside pa ng Philippines mo malalaman.
Oo, o, di ba?
Oo. Dapat talaga meron tayong like a regular na nag-uusap lang yung mga creators.
Hmm.
Hindi selling event kasi pag selling event may ano tayo nun, meron tayo ibang
Wala, busy ka.
ginagawa.
Oo,
Pero
hindi.
dapat meron talagang like a summit or something na
Oo, maganda yun. Maganda yun. Oo.
tapos it's parang non-branded, non-anything. Ano
Ah,
lang, kasi
oo.
mag-uusap lang yung mga creators about their
Mm.
ideas,
Yes.
mga nahanap nilang resources, nahanap
Mm. Mm.
nilang
Magbabatuhan lang ng ano. Yan.
magbabatuhan lang ng mga idea.
Oo. Mm.
Um, ano yung uh, the list for the listeners and what are the works that you may want them to sample ngayon? Ay, ano pala, before pala yun. Na-translate na yung ibang books nyo into other languages.
Oo. So, for yung Cautionary Tales from a Filipino Childhood has a German edition na nirelease noong October dun sa Frankfurt Book Fair. At the same time, yung Persian ng Dubiduas was also released at the Frankfurt Book Fair. And then may Turkish din siya.
Ang
So,
fun nung idea na yun that a German child is now researching about Filipino myths.
that's true.
Kasi for the
Oo.
longest time, when we were growing up, mga, di ba, sina Odin, sina Thor,
Oo, correct, di
mga
ba? Oo.
werewolves, mga
Oo.
mga
Mm.
German folklore stuff
Yes.
na
Oo.
as in yun yung nagpalaki sa atin kasi
Oo.
yun yung available ng mga fairy tales dito.
Mm,
Tapos
mm.
ngayon meron silang ngayong
Sila naman.
sila naman as in mag-research kayo about mga Filipino
Mm.
stories and Filipino mythologies and other stuff.
Oo. Mm.
Which is, ayun nga, as in, ang ganda kasi parang nabaliktad na.
Oo. Mm, mm.
And it's done by truly local creators. Kasi,
Yes. Oo.
while hindi naman masama yun that there are like foreigners who are doing
There are.
adaptations of our stories,
Oo.
when
Oo.
it comes from the source talaga.
Yeah. Unfiltered, ano.
Uh, so, kamusta naman? Kamusta yung, ano, yung reception with yung yung cautionary tales?
Maganda yung reception kasi yung dinalang copies nung German publisher is kasi hindi siya based sa Frankfurt sa Mannheim siya, so a different city in Germany. So nagdala lang siya ng set of books to sell dun sa Frankfurt. Naubos naman niya. So
Ayun,
naubos naman niya yung cautionary. So maganda naman yung reception, and may ano may ano ko kung bakit maganda yung reception nila kasi yung isang reader nagsabi siya na, yun nga, oh, I bought your book. Tapos nung pag-uwi yata, binasa niya. So, the next day, nandun na siya ulit. Sabi, I read your book, I liked it. Parang, it's, ano kasi, it's like our own tales.
Mm.
Na, kasi if you, di ba, parang, may mga ganun din sila yung mga
Yeah.
what we know as fairy tales, yung mga Grimm's fairy tales. Actually, cautionary tales nila yon. Para dinisneyfy lang ni Walt Disney eh.
Yeah,
Pero,
oo.
pero cautionary tales yun in nature eh. So parang nakaka-relate sila kaya
Pero
din pumatok yung
actually yung gusto ko
oo,
mangyari, magkaroon ng
oo,
academic study. Kasi
oo,
most of the European folktales at folktales natin have
oo.
have very same yung
Medyo similar, no?
very
Oo,
similar.
oo.
Ang weird niya eh kasi if you like
Mm.
mga Briton, meron silang mga
Oo.
stories that parang galing sa
May
Luzon.
equivalent. Oo, may equivalent, di ba? Kaya yun nga, if you think na, okay, may similar Southeast Asian creature, pero kasi medyo same region. Pero lumabas ka, tapos marirealize mo, oh, may equivalent kami niya.
No,
Di
parang
ba?
ano
Parang
yun, conspiracy theory. Oh, totoo
galing.
pala sila kasi meron
Oo,
din sa
kahit
kanila.
nag-ano-ano lang sila. Tumatawid-tawid lang sila ng bansa, di ba?
Tapos laging nakatira sila sa yung dark forest.
Oo, di ba? Ganun.
Though yung mga
Nakaka-
forest dun sa Germany, mas nakakatakot kaysa sa forest
Siguro.
natin.
Siguro, oo, siguro. So, ayun. So, that's why parang nakarelate sila na, eh, ganito din yung mga kwento namin nung kabataan. So, siguro, kaya pumatok din sa kanila.
Hmm.
Actually, yung ibang similar books na that have mga ganon, pumapatok din. Like, yun, si Trece, mas nauna, di ba? Yung si Josefina ni Russell at saka ni Ace, gusto din nila. So, parang, ano sila, they're into that
Parang ano
uh,
to,
kind of ano.
universal yung mga tales from of mga nakakatakot na tales.
Oo, oo. Parang everyone likes a good scare.
Ah,
Parang ganun.
or learning about more things to be
Oo.
afraid of.
Mhm.
So, yun. Do you have any other topics that you wish to discuss?
Hmm. Wala. Yun lang. Medyo ano lang. Yun lang. Naano lang ako na, ha? Parang ang daming nagsasabi ngayon na influential yung ano. So parang naisip ko lang. Maganda siguro may
Oo,
documentation.
maganda talaga. Or somebody do a book about the creators na
Oo.
nandun sa both books.
Oo.
Kasi parang during that time talaga, there was a lack of mga articles
Oo eh.
or people to yung magbubuyo sa mga tao to read yung
Oo.
publications natin.
Mm.
Pero yeah, magandang project actually yun.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Uh,
Habang
he, uh,
habang
yung,
naaalala pa natin.
habang naaalala pa ng mga nandito pa yung
Hindi.
mga creators. Oh,
Oo.
kasi ang difficulty with doing yung like the 80s, 90s natin, marami
That's
sa kanila
correct.
wala na.
That's correct. Oo.
So,
Oo.
habang nandito pa, speaking of, ano lang ulit, segue, sa mga
Mm.
listeners, merong event si Quentum sa 17. Dalawa doon sa creators nung time period na minimension namin.
Oo.
Si Ilog tsaka si
Ilagay ka
Memor
kasi memory.
are
Oo.
releasing yung box nila na nirelease nila din
Yes.
nung time na. Pero
Kaya
niredraw ni Emmer tsaka ni Ilog yun. So,
ilog.
totally
Oo.
new material yung makikita nyo. So, Pasig and
Yes.
Mount tsaka Cat's Trail Rewind.
Yes. Yes.
Kayo, kailan yung inyong relaunch na mga old titles?
May plan sana na yun nga, nung pagkatapos nung, di ba, nagka-reunion kami,
Hmm.
kausap-usap kami na parang maggawa ng bagong Loperabo, yung kay Igor.
Tama-tama si Alvin.
Pero,
Naghahanap ng
oo,
gagawin.
naging active na din si Aldin. Kaya lang yun nga, alam mo naman, life, cause medyo mabagal gawin. Like, Aldin has a family, kami has a family.
Again, yung point na we do have day job.
Oo,
So, yung yung the job that pays the bills, yun yung una.
Yes, exactly. Kailangan natin kumain. Medyo na-discuss namin, may panel kami nila RD noon sa Frankfurt eh. Tapos parang may nagtanong na what would you like people to know about comics making in the Philippines? Tapos parang yun nga, medyo naging emotional si RD. Kasi
Emotional
ang
naman
point,
madalas si Art.
ah, ah, kasi nga parang siguro may glamour na dating pag sinabi, ay, mga comic book creator. Di ba? Parang may glamorous na dating. Pero parang far from it na, yun nga, given yung situation ng how we are in the Philippines, hindi mo magagawang 100%. There are some,
Mm.
pero mahirap na
Ah,
100% comics lang ang ginagawa mo. So parang yun nga, all of us in the
oo.
panel, we all had day jobs, tapos talagang passion project, di
Kasi,
ba?
ayun nga eh,
Gas-gas ko
lalo
sabihin,
na
pero
ngayon
passion
kasi
talaga
talk
yung
to
comics.
students ulit.
Oo.
Tapos ang gusto nila sa akin ng career is comic book production.
Oo.
Yes, pwede siyang gawin. Pero like
Pwede.
with Miss Bambi at sa
Mm.
akin, while we do work sa isang comic company talaga, it's not
Oo.
locally based.
Yes. Oo.
That's the sad truth. Parang
Oo.
gusto nila magka-industry ulit. Pero the
Oo.
industry here, kahit informal na industry of comic book creation here, most of us are outsourcers.
Mm.
We outsource creative work for foreign publishers.
Mm-mm. For actual industries.
For actual countries that have comic book industries.
Industries, yun nga, oo.
So
Kasi,
parang true, pwede ka maging comic creator, pero hindi ka comic creator in the sense na masasabi mo na Filipino comic book creator ka.
mm, oo, oo. Mm.
Ang ano nga nun, ang meta nung kay Ma'am Bambi kasi managing editor siya ng Seven Seas that tapos yung material nila is tinatranslate nila from Japan. Pero American company yun.
Yes, oo. Mm-mm.
So, di ba? Ang wild na nun kasi tatlong culture yun. Nasa Philippines, yung managing
Mm.
editor, yung material is
Mm.
done in Japan, tapos it's released in the
In
US.
English, oo, for Americans.
Tapos yun, with the illustrators, di ba? Mga illustrators natin. Yung mga illustrators, I would consider yung mga rock stars
Mm.
ng
Mm-mm.
industries na to. Sina Stephen,
Mm.
sina
Oo.
Arlo, sina
Mm.
Harvey, ganyan. But
Mm.
all of them are working
Again,
for
oo.
foreign publishers.
Yes. Again, in a way, parang outsourced
Yeah.
din sila. Kasi,
Parang sobrang mabibilang natin sa hand natin yung local creators that are doing their own IP
mm,
as lives here in the Philippines. Tapos yun lang
mm,
talaga yung work nila.
oo,
Ang
oo.
karamihan sa kanila ay mga galing dyaryo, nagkartonista.
Oo.
Kasi yun
Correct.
nga, it's a daily engagement.
Mm, mm, correct.
Sila
Oo.
na lang actually natitirang parang industrialized na part ng comics ngayon, Filipino
Mm,
comics ngayon.
mm,
Mga comic strip artist sa dyaryo.
mm,
So, hindi
mm.
rin ganun kalaki yung bayad doon. Baka inisip nyo malaki yung bayad doon.
Oo.
Parang
Mm,
250 lang ata yun per.
per strip.
Oo.
Correct.
Ayan, marami pa talaga tayong steps to take into, as in,
Oo.
aside from comic book creation, yung reading talaga, reading culture
Yes.
here
Oo.
needs to be cultivated, diba?
Oo. Pero we're not saying na wag na kayong gumawa. Siyempre, gumawa pa kayo.
Gawa pa rin kayo.
But the point of this is not to discourage you. It's just that parang uh, it grounds you na ito yung
Grounds you.
reality. Kasi we don't want to ano din na you're going into this. Meron kayong false assumptions. Kasi mas detrimental yun eh na you go into ano na assuming something tas hindi pala. Mas detrimental yun, hindi ka na makakagawa. So knowing the reality of our industry, of our community right now, it grounds you. So it gives you a more of a drive to continue creating. Yun.
Yes, oo. Also, uh, parang it doesn't hurt to look up what has come before you. Kasi
Yes.
maraming I counter creators na parang feeling nila that while sinasabi nga namin that we're already parang nagsa-start up lang ulit yung comics, we do have a rich history of comics and it has
We
been
do,
part
yes.
of ingrained in Pinoy culture yung
Mm-mm.
comics na yan. Yung mga napapanood yung mga telenovela tsaka yung mga movie na parang paulit-ulit. Alam niyo kung
Oo.
saan galing yan?
Oo.
Comics galing lahat yan.
Comics galing. Oo. So,
So bago
kaya
pa
pag
bago pa
ano,
nag-adapt yung mga Japanese ng mga anime nila, bago pa nagawa yung MCU na yan,
correct.
yung comics to movies to TV to radio drama
Mm.
natin, yung culture na yun has been
Right.
here since ano pa 1930s, 40s pa.
Oh, since the start of film in the
Hmm.
Philippines,
Yeah.
di ba?
At yun din, as in our film also has like a gigantic history and tradition.
Mm.
As in
Mm.
comparable tayo dati sa India
Dati, oo.
kapag produce ng quality
Oo.
films. Oh.
Oo. Mm-mm.
So
Ayun.
parang yun nga yung creative industries natin, meron tayong pinaghuhugutang tradition and history. So
Mm.
it doesn't hurt you to look back at ano yung mga nagawa na before.
Oo. Mm.
Para lang meron kang it's a matter of pride na dapat i-continue mo
Mm.
yung quality na gano'n.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Parang
Ayun.
yun yung kulang kasi, di ba? Lagi tayo naghahanap ng ano ng Filipino identity. Tapos meron na pala tayo eh.
Ano?
Oo. And it doesn't mean that you have to copy what they were doing.
No,
Kasi ayun
oo.
yung iniisip yung
Oo.
sinasabi ko ngayon. Hindi. It just means that pag gagawa kayo ng something, if you're telling your story, put your best foot forward always.
Yes. Oo.
Ayan. Last words
Okay.
for before we finish our kwentuhan.
Ay, yun lang na just continue creating, continue telling your story. Parang don't be afraid of trying out kasi ang first step lagi is just to create, just put it out there, di ba? And no one can tell your story better than you.
Mm.
Yun lang.
Ano yun ulit? Again, you might have the same concept with someone else, pero
Mm.
as a creator, you have your own
Ah,
lifetime of experiences
yep.
and
Mm-mm.
nuances. So
Mm-mm.
yung whatever, kahit magkapareho kayo ng concept, that story
Oo.
that you will tell, unless kinopya mo
Oo.
lang talaga,
Oo. Hindi naman ganun.
will be unique to you
Yes.
alone. So
Yun.
always tell your story. Um,
Yep.
one final question. Ano yung nakikita mong magandang mangyari with the community of creators ngayon? As in yung pinaka-tangible na magandang mangyari within the next 5 years.
Magandang mangyari. Well, very exciting actually. Yun nga, coming from Frankfurt. Parang the world is becoming aware of our own IPs, of our own stories, which is another reason why we should not stop doing our stories, doing our own IPs. Kasi parang nag-take notice na eh. So let's just help each other putting the word out there na, hey, this is Filipino comics. And then, yun nga, the world will notice. And it's time for Filipino stories to be known outside.
Yeah. Para rin to sa ano, if there are like children of the diaspora ng Filipinos.
Mm,
Kasi parang ang daming parang
mm,
I talk to mga Phil-Ams. They're looking
mm.
for their own identity.
Yeah. Oo,
So,
oo.
time yung put out our stories na
Right.
from from the Philippines.
Yes,
They're
oo.
looking
Kasi,
for it.
oo. They're looking for it. Like, even in, yun nga, in Germany, you would be approached by Filipino mom, Filipino dad, and then ano na kasi, Phil German or
Mm.
Phil European na yung kids nila. Gusto nila ituro. or ano, na doon pinanganak, gusto nila ituro yung mga culture, yung language. So talagang, and kahit sila, naghahanap sila ng connection because they've been there for the longest time dahil it's not easy to come back home for
Ah,
one reason or another, di ba? Hindi sila years bago sila nakakauwi. So parang naghahanap sila ng connection and they find it in our stories.
so yun, continue continue telling your stories, continue creating comics. Hindi naman kailangang hyper-nationalistic lagi. As in, just tell your stories. Kasi
Oo.
parang ano ang dating sa iba, hindi, kailangan sobrang mukhang Pilipino to.
Kailangan,
Hindi
oo,
naman.
kailangan hindi naman. Di ba kailangan na laging may manananggal o Philippine flag o gano'n. Hindi,
Or may
just the mere
baybayin.
fact that, or baybayin, di ba? Just the mere fact that you, a Filipino, is telling it, makes
Iba
it
yung
a
point of view
Filipino
natin kasi
story. Oo.
we grew up dito sa hard
Correct.
mode ng Pilipinas.
Oo, oo, oo. Diba?
Ayan.
Yun. Okay.
For your fans, for the listeners who are interested in seeing your work, saan nila makikita?
So Doobie-Doo Ask and the sequel Doobie-Doo What You Up To, as well as Cautionary Tales from a Filipino Childhood, are all published by Comiket. So you can get in touch with Comiket or their store, which is Secret HQ
Meron silang
in Facebook.
Shopee
Uh,
link. May
May
Shopee account.
Shopee, may Lazada, you can get the works there. Tapos, hopefully, by next year, may sequel na si Cautionary Tales. And then, matatapos na namin yung concluding nung Karnal
Uh,
series. Kasi nilabas
Pero
na yung
doon sa
Karnal
mga
Balakaw,
listeners,
Karnal
yung
Cristobal.
Cautionary Tales spun off Karnal.
Yes, oo.
Meron sila talaga main story.
Yun ang main. Yun ang main. Oh. It's
Oo.
just that right now, unexpectedly, pero happy, happy, ano naman, surprise na sumikat yung spin-off.
Tapos
Medyo,
is Karnal yung indie nyo still available or it's gonna be
ah,
released again at another format?
yun ang inaano pa namin. Kasi ang una siyang nilabas was under Chop Suey. But Chop Suey closed nung pandemic.
Mm-mm.
Kaya naglabas kami nung floppy type na, nung Karnal. In-indie release namin. Tapos, gusto namin sana collected, pero hindi pa namin ine-explore, like, yun nga, kung sinong publisher or kami ang magpapublish. Basta, ang inaano lang namin is tapusin na muna.
Tapusin muna. Hindi, yun naman lagi with creators eh.
Oo.
Parang mas
Na,
maganda ngayon na tapusin nyo muna.
tapusin muna, tapusin muna. Yun muna ang goal.
Ah, so again, thank you. Thank you.
Oo.
Thank you rin sa lahat na nakinig. Please do share this video to anyone who you would think be interested in Filipino comics or Filipino
Mm-mm.
creators din na katulad namin. Uh, for creators that wish to makipagkwentuhan din sa akin, don't hesitate na i-contact ako. Hindi ako masungit na tao. Oo. And yun, subscribe kayo doon sa channel. Hindi ko alam kung para saan, pero mamamonetize daw. Hindi mamamonetize daw. Pero, at makinig kayo ulit sa mga sunod na mga kwento.
Yes.
Thank you
Yes.
guys. Thank you ma'am.